Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and I'm going to show you how to get set up with your new Cricut Maker 3. So first you want to download Cricut Access, log into your account. You're going to want to click Set Up Your Machine and follow the directions to set up your workspace and plug in your Cricut Maker. Next, you're going to need to connect it to a computer. Once you've connected the cord to your computer, you're going to go ahead and allow it to update. This is going to take a few minutes. Once it does, it's going to say great, and you can click Finish. Register your machine, and there you go. So you're going to start off with your first project, and they give you a piece of paper for this, and it's one of the smart materials. You click the image you want, make sure your blade is in the machine. Mine came preloaded, and you're going to load your paper into the machine. Here's how it goes. You want the full 13-inch width going into your machine. You don't want to push it in the short way in. Then you press the load button right here, and that'll load your machine with your paper, your smart materials. Okay, so go ahead and press the blinking play button. That used to be a Cricut button, but now it looks like the regular play button you see on a lot of devices. And your machine's going to go ahead and cut everything for you. Your hand's off here. You can walk away. You can go get yourself a glass of wine, go to the bathroom, deal with a child, whatever you need to do. This is going to cut it for you. It's pretty quick. It's definitely quicker than the old machines, but again, depending on the intricacy of the design, it'll still take, however long it takes. So it gives you a chance to go get a snack or whatever. I didn't speed up any of the cutting because I wanted you guys to see the speed for the Cricut Maker 3. Again, this will depend on your product though. Go ahead and press the unload button and your materials will come out. As you can see, if you look really close, you can see where your design is. You can actually cut around that and save the rest of your vinyl for other projects. Now, the machine will tell you your test cut was completed, and this is the part where you need to take over. Hopefully you purchased yourself a little tool. This is the weeding tool from Cricut. You can use a pair of tweezers or something if you don't have one. But you essentially scrape away everything around and in the middle of your design that isn't part of your design. The machine just cuts the vinyl, so you have to remove all of the little bits that don't belong to the design. So this glossy paper here is transfer paper. I just cut like little pieces out. And what this does is it helps move your design onto whatever you want to move it onto. When I first got a machine, I didn't realize what this was, and I tried moving it without it. It's a mistake. It is really hard unless you have a very simple design. So you just peel this backing off and make sure it's all on there. Okay, and you can just position that where you want. I'm gonna actually put mine on my machine here because I like it. Okay, this thing does not stay on. Don't leave it on there. Just peel it off like this. And there you go. All done. First project. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to check out my blog, DIYDanielle.com, for other Cricut ideas. Have a great day. Bye.